Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fight Sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see Sagittarius. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Sagittarius. What are the messages for Sagittarius? Messages for Sagittarius and what's going on. Queen of Wands, Six of Pentacles and the Fool under the deck. You want equal give and take in this connection, Sagittarius. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. And you are working on yourself. It's your energy. You are taking your control back. And the Fool. So now you are going with the flow, living in the present moment because you are taking your control back. For some, you want brand new beginnings with your person. You're still waiting on them. You want brand new beginnings. And your person also want brand new beginnings for some. So let's see your reading recent past, Four of Cups, the Moon and Page of Swords. Yeah, for some you are in separation or no contact. Even though you are in relationship with this person, this is on and off. You're feeling alone. You're feeling missed opportunity with this person. Yeah, there are some issues between you and your person, some arguments. But some spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. Spying is going between you and your person. And children's also involved in this connection. Then present, Six of Swords, Wheel of Fortune and the Lovers. Yeah, love is there between you and your person. But I think Sagittarius, you are waiting for right time. Yes, because right now things are not into your favor. You are waiting for right time. And Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely things will turn into your favor. And Six of Swords. Maybe some of you will receive communication to fix the things between you and your person. Very few, maybe you decided to move on from this person because you are fed up with waiting. Then future, the Sun, King of Cups and Hangman. Yes, you're still stuck and you're still thinking about them a lot. And King of Cups with Sun. But for some, there will positive outcome will come. Maybe a brand new person will enter into your life and they want to offer their cup of love to you. And for some, you still have strong emotions and you're still waiting for them to offer your cup of love to them. Children's involved in this connection. You are waiting for them. You're waiting for reconciliation, Sagittarius. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going between you and your person. See, Eight of Swords, the Hermit and Eight of Cups. Maybe they walked away from this connection or you walked away. One person is walked away. But right now they're feeling stuck. And the Hermit, they are spiritually awakening. And the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. Right now your person going through some transformation. So let's see their intentions and their current feelings. First we will see feelings and then intentions. Sagittarius, their current feelings. Yeah, they're wishing for this connection and Ace of Cups. Yes, they do love you. Their love towards you is overflowing, and yeah, they are also waiting for you. Yes, if you are in separation, they still thinking about you very positively. They're wishing for this connection. For some, maybe your person scared, maybe they walked away, that's why now they have regret, Sagittarius, that's why maybe they're scared, but they really want to work on this relationship, because Eight of Pentacles, right now they are going through something in their life, because the Tower moment. Right now they're missing you, and you both missing each other a lot, but they are also wishing for this connection, and they do love you. Ace of Cups is here. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, it's your reading, it's your card. Temperance, Seven of Swords. Yeah, they have regrets, guys. And Queen of Wands with High Priestess with Star. Yes, so they want to take action, and they started listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition, but they are waiting for right time to approach you, because Temperance patiently waiting, your person is patiently waiting, and Seven of Swords is here. Definitely in past they did hurt you. Yeah, now they want you back, but they scared, they feeling that they are not good enough for you, but they do love you. They want Ten of Cups happiness with you, but they're scared, because in past they did hurt you. Now they're realizing your worth, that's why they're scared to approach you, or they're taking their time to make a move towards you. But yes, very soon they will make a move. Right now they're patiently waiting, because the Temperance, balancing things. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Sagittarius, Pisces especially, or Gemini. Yeah, spying. They are spying on you. They are wondering about you a lot, Sagittarius, and they are suffering in silence. Yes, they have regrets. They are suffering in silence, and they're spying on you a lot. And the Hangman. So they are stuck on you, the Hangman, and Eight of Wands. Yeah, they want to communicate with you. They still want rebirth in this connection. They're very sad without you. So they're thinking about you a lot, and they want to communicate with you. Definitely a lot of spying is going. You both may be spying on each other in some cases. Yeah, 2 times Seven of Swords, guys. Definitely this person is sneaky. One person is really sneaky in this connection. Be careful. Because trust issues, maybe they're playing games with you. For some third party involved here. Maybe third party means family, friends, or other man or other woman. So it's up to you. So let's see mutual. Chariot, Justice with the King of Swords. I think you are taking your control back, Sagittarius, but they will approach for second chances. Justice, maybe you cut off this person from your life, but there will be some moment in near future, because the Chariot is here, and they will ask second chance. But again, I'm saying it will take time. Right now, your person feeling stuck, and they're feeling guilty, because what they did to you in past, and you both are thinking about each other a lot. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, because Two of Wands is here, and High Priestess. I think you both listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Mask. I'm just not ready yet. Soulmates. Second chance. Lot of abundance is coming. Will you forgive me? So the messages are Mask. I am just not ready yet. Soulmates. Second chance. And lot of abundance is coming. Will you forgive me? So these are the messages from your person and so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo energy. So if you are doing any work, be confident, because confidence is your key to success, especially new moon in Leo, and your commitment is being tested. So it is a testing time for you, Sagittarius. If you are honest, you will be win. Don't worry. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.